Gundersen Health System hopes to reduce the time it takes to get people help during an emergency. It recently made a change to its med flight operations. News 8's Alec Giannakopoulos is here with a look at how they're cutting response times. Alec?
Mike, going into 2019, Gundersen Health System had one helicopter stationed in La Crosse. Now they have two without any in the city, and they're seeing positive results so far.
We get to help people in their biggest time of need. They have a lot of fear, unknowns of what's going to happen next.
Flight paramedic Michael Huber is used to handling stressful situations.
We can kind of relieve that by talking them through the situation, getting them the appropriate medications into the appropriate places for their care.
The most stressful part of the job is the race against the clock.
Time is muscle and time is brain.
A problem that paramedics like Huber had run into is that many calls had come from the Sparta area.
It's roughly a 40-minute drive from here to downtown La Crosse with traffic.
Which is why they made some changes.
About a month and a half ago, we moved our operations from La Crosse to the Sparta-McCoy Airport. We also have another aircraft in Decorah, Iowa. Our idea with moving our aircraft out into the rural setting was to decrease our response times to the patients that need it most.
Moving helicopters out to more rural areas is uncommon, but catching on.
In our state, it traditionally probably hasn't been done, but more common in recent years to get the advanced care out into the region a little further. And we've seen improved patient outcomes because of our increased response times.
With the move, crews can enjoy the challenges of the job.
A lot of critical thinking. We have a very autonomous job.
With less focus on the stress of time constraints. The crew that I talked to are already happy with the results, with the move happening only a month and a half ago.
All right, thanks a lot, Alec. And they believe with the two helipad stations, they can now cover a 150-mile radius. And this week marks National EMS Week, where responders like flight paramedics are being honored.